Do you spend time manually highlighting text in Excel? What if Excel could automatically color code specific words for you instantly? So let's get started. Here's a list of items. Notice how hard it is to spot important words like completed or WIP. Instead of manually highlighting them, we'll teach Excel to recognize these words and color them automatically within a few clicks. First, select the cells or row where you want the color coding to happen. Then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, then click on Highlight Cells Rule, and then click on Equal To. After that, select the word which you need to highlight throughout the cell or row. This is where the magic begins. You'll instantly see all cells containing completed word turn into green, and WIP turns into yellow in color. This is for single cell or row if you want to highlight the cell or column of the same word in Excel. Select all cells or click Ctrl+A and then follow the same process. And see the magic. And that's it. Your spreadsheet is now smarter and more colorful. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel automation tricks. Drop a comment if you'd like me to cover advanced text-based formatting next.